You go to, wait, it's in the shelter. 377 again. Oh, 377, 4 to 1. So. Fitches and try 3 again, they're returning. And the winner is going to be 377, 438. You want to have your letter start? So yeah, 3 again. And if I see what you want, 7602 Bedford. Tip handle 145, good one in the graffiti. I'm a graffiti. Oh, look, there's GX coming! GX coming to. Oh! It's going to be. No. Here's 37214. And 37272.
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here.
Looking at family numbers to your time trains, okay?
Platform 4.
Can you do that? There's GX again. GN again. 38121 return. 30, 35, 77 is going to be Victoria, 37203 and 438. Thank you, that's wonderful. Can you check the map again? Sorry, can you check the map we're getting the train? 38227 again! Cambridge, that's the first train.
They're not actually doing that.
Here's 701 49 Rising 2 minutes early from Bedford. And the other one, the 1340 Orson Sisters of those 2 minutes early. Let's go to Cambridge from Brighton.
City, Letchworth, Garden City, Baldock, Ashwell and Morgan, Royston and Cambridge.
700 134. Huh? Leave your line, please. I want to go again. If you get the bag of 4 whiskey, buy it for me. Have some Bravos and bring one for me. Thirty 40 attempts to go from Bedford to Brighton. The other ones go from Brighton to Cambridge. 701 48. Yes, that's 70146. And yes, it says Cambridge, you see. Not yet, let's get a train moving first. I was first class earlier, it was 2. I went to it again about 6 days ago. I will do it again this time. And at 1340 10 it was 2 to Cambridge. Was by 700, excuse me, 70134. Report your home is Balcombe, the other one is Gatwick. I think I will keep recording and I'm going to check the route code back in a minute. Now, Rhino time is time service 11:32 from Bedford. It will cost 700. Yeah, I want to see first class again this time when we leave Crawley. I would like to do that when we leave Crawley. It's in first class in about 6 days. I did do it 6 days ago. I just did it A700 117. I want to see first class again. I just did about 6 days ago. I done it, but I did it again in 6 days. I did it about 6 days.
Have you written this one yet or not?
No, probably. Probably. Yeah, you said 100. What was it? Once you first class 737 first class seat on your phone, got for 1 week calling. Oh, there it says train is at the corner. Yeah, 11:30 from Bedford, yeah.
Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour should travel in the front 4 coaches of the train.
That?
Passengers for West Hospital, Billingshurst, Aldborough,
That?
Ackley, Arundel, Ford, Barnet.
5201 again.
Should travel in the rear.
And then 150. I think this coach, this carriage in front of page 4. 5201 again. And he's got a green light. If he's got a pantograph, I think this can happen. This carriage. That carriage. Let passengers off the train. Passengers off the train first. Don't hit, say wait.
Next stop in a few minutes will be Horsham. Just be aware that Horsham the train will be dividing. Coaches 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 continue past out to Barnet. Into Chipsford all stops from Chipsford into Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 8 and in rear 4 coaches will continue to stop between Horsham and Bolton Regis. So use the time to have a quick to make sure that you are on the correct part of the train. And when you arrive at Horsham,
It's okay, he said.
again, it's 4 coaches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bolton Regis. The next station is Horsham. Arriving now into Horsham, you can change here for service heading into Dorking, Liverhead and Sutton. And just again be aware that the train will be dividing here at Horsham. Coaches 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 will continue fast to Barnum and into Portsmouth. And the rear 4 coaches, that is coaches 5, 6, 7 and 8, will continue all stops into Bolton Regis. This is your final time to make sure you are definitely in the correct part of the train, because when we do arrive into Horsham it will be a short period once the trains have detached before the front portion does leave. When we do arrive, the doors will open and close briefly while the detachment does take place, and just be there extra careful if you're standing, as there may be a little jump.
This is coach number. We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1, 2, 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 8 will continue to Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Yeah, 716.